I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to throw the food through the window. Okay, like last time?
Will you please come pick up?
Huh?
Please come pick up. Come to 1492.
I'm sorry, Fong Yi. I really can't read. Chris?
Hello?
Hello, Fong Yi?
Will you come down pick up, please?
Okay.
The red, right?
Yeah.
From 1492 on the Chinese border.
Okay.
Okay, come pick up, please.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Saturday, 9:35 p.m.
The phone is, we're downstairs with your order. Are you coming to pick up, or should I come inside?
Who is this?
This is Fong Yi. We're downstairs with your order.
I didn't order any food.
This is Ryan the Red, right?
Yes.
This is whole, right?
Right.
Right? Okay. We got your sweet and sour pork, your egg roll, your lemon chicken, and your pork fried rice.
I didn't order any food.
Well, I have order here for you, and you have to come pick up now.
Well, I'm sorry. I don't have any money.
No, you cannot order to me. You cannot order food and then come up and pick
No,
up.
listen. I didn't order any food.
You order food. I have your number. I have your name. You order food.
Trust me. Listen up.
I don't think this is funny. You kids do this to me all the time. You order food, and I get here, and you not pick up. Now come on downstairs and pick up this order.
I didn't order any food.
There's $40 of food there for you.
Listen up. I have no money. I didn't order any food, and I'm doing my lab report right now.
Okay, you write me check. I take check.
I don't have a checking account. I don't have a Mac account with any money in it, and I don't have Visa, okay? I have no money.
You have some friends on campus who have money. You have to get the money.
All my friends are broke, and if they're not, they won't be lending me money, okay?
Alright.
Alright?
Right. What do I do with the food now?
I didn't order it. I don't know what to tell you.
You didn't order the food.
No, I didn't order the
Who
food.
ordered the food then?
I don't know who ordered the food.
I get sick of it. You know, you can't do it to me all the time.
I didn't order food. I'm sorry.
Right. You didn't order food.
Why would I order food?
I don't know. You like lemon chicken?
It's nice, yeah.
Well, you order lemon chicken and now you not want it. You think me
No. I ordered I didn't order any food. What does me liking lemon chicken have to do with anything? If I didn't place an order, it doesn't matter if I like something or not. Where are you right now? Who are you? Where are you calling
I'm
from?
downstairs.
Downstairs?
Downstairs in the quad.
In the quad?
In quad for you to pick up food.
Walk towards the quad then.
Walk toward quad?
Yeah, let me...
I'm in quad.
You're calling from the callback?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Walk into the quad. Is this a practical joke, or what is this?
Walk into quad. I am in quad. I told you this before.
You're under the archway, right?
I am holding the red bag.
You're under the archway?
I'm not in the archway.
Oh, how are you calling me then? Are you calling me from the campus phone under the archway of the quad, right?
Well, do you want me to take you to compensate this?
For what reason?
Well, you can't order food and not... You can't order service and not pay for it.
What makes you say that I ordered the service? I did not order anything.
What, you think somebody called up and ordered lemon chicken like your favorite? And I come out here and deliver it, you don't take it?
Who said lemon chicken was my favorite?
Alright, I'm going to compensate you. I'm not going to take counts, okay? We'll be back with them in a couple of minutes. Bye-bye.
Hold on. Saturday, 9:41 p.m.
Please.
Yes?
I just talked to Campus City. They gave me your home address.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to bill your home address. And then you can have the food now. Okay? You live at Ridgewood, New Jersey, 07451?
Yeah.
Yeah. I live at home address.
Yeah, Campus Safety gave you this?
Yeah, they give you... They have big book of all...
Yeah, well, tell Campus Safety to give me a call, okay?
They have all of your address.
Well, regardless, yeah, everybody can get a hold of a student book. Just tell Campus Safety to give me a call, then.
Well, I'm going to leave food in the quad now. So
yeah.
you come down and get it.
Sure. Mm-hmm.
Come down and get it.
Good night.
Come get your food.
Good night.
No, if I'm going to charge you $14...
No, you're not going to charge me anything at all.
I feel bad.
No, you're not going to charge me.
Oh, come on, I feel bad. If you don't come get your food.
Safety, you never talk to them. You're lying.
No, I never talked to him.
Yeah, that's what they said.
Okay.
Okay.
Right. Well, good luck on your lab report, little boy.
I like your accent, too. It's really great. Saturday, 9:54